Hello, this is the first of a few short devlogs that I want to do on my final major project for school. I want to make them when I make major progress on a gameplay mechanic or system. This is the first of the systems I wanted to work on, which is procedurally generating dungeons. You'll have noticed that on screen I clicked a button which was generate a new seed. It will have generated a new random number with basically no range, I think. The way this works is when you generate a new seed, it generates a new dungeon. And to do that, it clears everything. It clears every array and map it has. So, completely blank canvas. Then, it has a global variable called room count, which you can specify. For the time being, at least. I'm sure this will all be sorted out later, but for the time being, user specifies. And for every room, it creates a root space and basically generates a set of tiles around that root space within a certain range, which is the min room size and max room size. It'll then go to the next location, check that that location is empty, and build another room there. So, then, for every room with an adjacent room, it picks two tiles, one from each room, calling them point A and point B respectively. This is where it then does 12 checks, so it knows how to connect the rooms, either straight vertically, straight horizontally, or if it needs to make a corner point, connect room A to the corner point and then corner point to room B, or vice versa, and in what direction. It then checks that both point A and point B are in the array called tiles, and if they aren't, it adds them in. This is in case floor culling, which chooses some random tiles and yoinks them out to make the dungeon seem more interesting. If that's removed an edge tile, then we want to put that back in so that the corridor actually connects to the room. Then append the array corridor tiles with the corridor floor tiles, which we made in the make corridor function, which basically just means we want to place some tiles here so that there's an actual corridor rather than a hypothetical corridor. Then spawn all the tiles. Basically, that is a very simple explanation of what it does, but that is basically what it does. There is a slight bug at the moment where the pillars that it makes to just add texture to the walls and stuff, those pillars, it spawns two of them, and they clip into each other, so that's a very minor fix, but I do want to fix it. But I hope this has been an interesting devlog. This is more just for my personal benefit than anything. Sorry, I'm rustling paper. This is more for my personal benefit than anything, just to show that I am doing this work and to keep a log of what I've done, as well as all the incremental backups I'm doing. So, yeah, this is a school project, by the way, in case you hadn't figured it out. Thank you, bye-bye.